My friend, dear unique, just you and yourself. It's just you. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Think about it. Just you and yourself. It's just you. You shouldn't wait for your parents to come and help you. Many of my patients tell me that I'm waiting for the law of attraction to give me. I'm waiting for the karma to give me. I'm waiting for frequency and energy to give me the money. I'm waiting for prayers to give me the money. But for your information, I'm sorry, but all of this is ridiculous. What are you talking about? All of this is absurd. You have to move and try and work. Stop being lazy. Stop. Nothing will be given to you. Nothing. You want to be independent. You want to be independent. You wrote for me. You want to be independent? Well, listen. Independence means building. You have to go and build your own. Okay? Why do you want to be someone's wife or someone's husband? If you are a woman, it doesn't matter whose daughter you are, whose sister you are, whose wife you are. If you a gentleman, it doesn't matter whose son you are, whose brother you are, whose husband you are. Who are you? Who you truly are. Who you truly are. What have you done for yourself? What have you done for your future? What have you done for your, dreams, for your personal life? For yourself? How much effort did you put in, and to achieve your goals? No one, absolutely no one grows up under the shadow of parents. You keep telling me, I am student. What? Being a student is not a job. Listen to me. Being a student is not a job. You have to work. The truth is you are lazy and you have unreasonable expectations from others, your parents, your partner, your friends, the people around you. Enough is enough. Go build your own. Okay? Thank you. What do you think about this video? Write a comment for me and Thanks. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share this and share my videos. Okay? Always remember, you have to try and move and grow. Focus on yourself. No one can take your place, and also you cannot take someone else's place. Yes. Love you. Bye.